Unlock your real estate potential by learning how to effectively reach motivated buyers and sellers directly on Zillow. First, log into your Zillow Premier Agent account. This is your command center for all Zillow marketing efforts. Look for the dedicated advertising or ad management section, which is typically found in your main navigation or dashboard. Next, choose your campaign objective. Zillow allows you to promote a specific listing, brand yourself as a local expert, or generate general buyer and seller leads. Select the goal that best aligns with your current real estate strategy. Now, define your budget and duration. You can set a daily budget, a total campaign budget, and specify the exact start and end dates for your ad to run. This flexibility allows you to control your spending and campaign length precisely. Then, precisely target your audience. Zillow's powerful tools let you target by specific locations like neighborhoods, zip codes, or even custom areas. You can also define your audience based on their intent, such as buyers searching in a certain price range or sellers looking for valuations. Craft compelling ad creative by uploading high-quality images or videos of your property or branding. Write an engaging headline and a concise description that highlights the unique selling points. Always include a clear call to action to guide your audience. Before launching, meticulously review all your settings, your objective, budget, targeting, and ad creative. Ensure everything is accurate and optimized for your goals. Once satisfied, simply click the Launch Campaign button to activate your ad. After your ad goes live, consistently monitor its performance through the Zillow Analytics dashboard. Track impressions, clicks, leads generated, and adjust your budget, targeting, or creative as needed to optimize for the best results and return on investment. Mastering Zillow Ads empowers you to connect with a highly engaged audience, driving more leads and ultimately growing your real estate business effectively.